Well, hello friend, I want to welcome you however you came to this video, whether I invited you personally, you were referred by a friend, or by the power of the internet, you stumbled upon this video series. I want to welcome you here and say you are in a great place if you are a beginner looking into learning the guitar, or maybe you know a little bit about the guitar and you are looking on ways to improve and get to that intermediate level. Well, if that is you, you are in an awesome place, and I'm going to help you get there. And who am I? Well, my name is Darren, and I've been playing music for over 10 years. I've played in the school band, played in a church music setting. I've done some singer-songwriter things. I've played piano, played guitar, played drums. I have a pretty significant experience in music, and guitar is one of my favorite instruments. I really think it's one of the best entries into the musical world. Once you learn how to play guitar, I think you're really ready to learn how to play other things. And I just think it's really just a great way to start out, and it's also pretty easy to pick up as well. And hopefully throughout this course, if you would join me, I will help you get there. And really the goal of this whole course, this video series, is really to get you to a point where you can pick up a guitar, pull up some chord charts on your computer, and then maybe listen to a song that you really like on the radio, and you have the tools and the resources to be able to play that song. And that is what we are about to embark on. Again, I want to welcome you here. I want to invite you to join me on this journey, and at any time, feel free to reach out to me with any questions. So let's jump in.